In this video, we're going to show you how to withdraw USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet. So we're going to open our Trust Wallet app, and here in the main dashboard, you're going to scroll to look for USDT. We will be using USDT Ethereum. Of course, if you cannot find it here in this list, you can go ahead to the search at the top and search for USDT. Remember, we said we'll be using the Ethereum, so we're going to tap on it like so, and then you're going to tap on Send. So when you tap on Send, you have two input fields to apply some information. You have the address or domain name and the amount. So you're going to paste in here the wallet address of another crypto exchange that you would like to withdraw your USDT from. So if you want to withdraw it, you have to withdraw it into another exchange. So you have to put the address here and then put the amount. And the next option is going to highlight. When you click on the next option, you're going to have the chance to review your transaction and then you will confirm it. So this is how to withdraw USDT from Trust Wallet.